Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. Check your Google Play balance in the Play Store and note the amount. Once done, open the Zomato app and make sure you're signed into the same Google account or the account you use for payments. You need a linked UPI or card ready as a fallback because Zomato may require a secondary method. Now proceed to place an order so you can reach the payment screen and attempt to apply Google Play balance. At checkout, tap Payment Methods and look for Google Play Balance or Google Pay as a gateway. Zomato sometimes surfaces Play Balance via Google Pay. If you see the Play Balance option, select it and confirm the deduction. If it doesn't list directly, choose Google Pay and sign in with the same Google account. This can pull Play Balance. Make sure to split payments if the balance is insufficient. Enter remaining amount on your card or UPI and complete the authorization to finalize the charge. Finish by confirming the order success screen and reviewing your payment history in Zomato. This verifies the Play Balance deduction. If the transaction is declined, first retry using Google Pay and ensure you're logged into the same Google account that holds the Play Balance. If that fails, switch to your fallback card or UPI to avoid delays, then capture screenshots of errors and payment attempts. If issues persist, contact Zomato.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.